स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का टॉपिक है रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ एसिड्स एंड बेसेस, जो आपके सिलेबस में है। आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू दिस रिएक्टिविटी इन ब्रीफ. So these are the 5 types of reactivities you are having in your syllabus. First thing is metal plus acid. Next thing is metal carbonates, bicarbonates plus acid. Neutralization, metal oxide reaction with acid and non-metal oxide reaction with base. What is happening here? When metal reacts with acid, what happens? Here we are taking zinc as an example, HCl or sulfuric acid. What is happening here? Zinc chloride or zinc sulfate is formed with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Here reactivity order plays an important role because here zinc का reactivity ज़्यादा है हाइड्रोजन से, इसीलिए it is replacing the hydrogen from sulfuric acid and is forming zinc sulfate. So the basic reaction is metal plus acid gives rise to salt plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, if you take metal carbonates or bicarbonates, when reacts with acid, we are taking sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate as example, NaHCO3. When reacts with acid like HCl, what is happening here? What is happening here is a salt is formed with water plus CO2. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved. The same products are formed in both the reaction. So the basic reaction is metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates react with acid to form salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas is evolved. This is the basic reaction. Coming to neutralization, as previously explained, acid reacts with base to form salt and water. This is very easy thing, salt plus water. It is giving salt and water. Example में basic example is NaOH reacts with HCl to form sodium chloride common salt plus H2O. Basic reaction is acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. Here if you consider metal oxide, example is copper oxide, which is black in color, reacts with acid like HCl, whatever we take, it is forming copper chloride CuCl2 plus H2O balancing. This is blue green in color. Basic reaction here is, main reaction is metal oxide reacts with acid to form salt. This copper chloride is a salt with the formation of water, which is similar to neutralization reaction, that is acid reacts with base to form salt and water. In place of base, as we are having metal oxide, we can say that metal oxides are basic oxides, basic in nature. This is very important. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Similarly, if you take non-metal oxides, example is CO2 plus calcium hydroxide is a base, nothing but slaked lime. It is giving calcium carbonate plus water. So this is also a salt. So this is a base. Acid reacts with base to form salt and water. This is also similar to neutralization reaction. So we can say that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, acidic oxides. So these are the basic reactions. Metal reacts with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas is evolved here. When carbonates and bicarbonates react with acid, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. When acid base reacts, this is a common thing, salt and water is formed. This is known as neutralization reaction. Coming to metal oxides, when they react with acid, we can say salt and water is formed. So from this we can say that metal oxides are basic in nature. From this we can say metal oxides are basic in nature. Similarly, non-metal oxide, when react with base, what is happening? Salt and water is formed, which is similar to neutralization reaction. So we can say that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So students, these are the reactions that you are having in your syllabus, reactivity of acids and bases. If you understand my video, like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.